welcome back to another Tapo Studios video. And in this video we're doing Snap Circuits Project 46. More sound effects. There's Annie just hanging out. Directed to investigate the different sound effects available from a alarm integrated circuit. There it is, it's right there. With the circuit turned on the left, close the side switch. The integrated circuit should start sounding up and down siren. This is one of the more sound effects that you can integrate. Integrated is designed to produce different sounds, can be easily changed. Very important when designing. Use a choice to switch the sounds on and off quickly, and you can create even different effects. This mode will create many robotic sounds if switched quickly. It's like this. There's Annie. Remember to like and subscribe to the video. Bye. I want you to like and subscribe.